sprint. That's why I have to make sure that requirements are ready. We should be done with analysis by April 1st. Before that.
Okay. So in the sprint 2, I am adding my database creation.
Yes, I added the story for you. Just you have to go and add the task.
Oh, in sprint 2 you added a story?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Because the morning Nirosha was running the call. So at that time I didn't saw Roxana. She closed all the pending acceptance and.
You have to go to the sprint 2. That's where you will see that.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Jupyter
So
Hub,
the other
I think.
day,
Yeah, Jupyter Hub 24.
Jupyter Hub 24 is the one she created. Rupa, here creating VMs is like just right click. There will be a golden template. All we have to go. Rel Linux image is already there. See, all she did on the other day is I just showed her. Create new VM from this template. So this is Linux 8 Linux template. All she create new VM, and she gave, and I just showed you how Jupyter 24, then 25, something, and then click here. You have to choose the pool where you want to allocate. So here we have chosen something like Kafka or Podman, some folder. Okay. You have to choose the folder. And we have chosen some folder. Let's assume I have chosen an automation folder. And then it will ask you to choose the resource pool. The resource pool name should also match with the folder name, same automation. See, the logo of resource pool is circle, and the logo of folder is so you choose this one and then say next. And after that, it will ask you the storage, vSAN storage, 152 terabyte is there, but you have to. You don't decide the spacing, but you have to choose that SAN storage.
Oh, got it.
And then say next. And then when you say complete, it will complete the VM provision in 10 minutes. So that's what happened here.
This is the case then in our side when you request from the app host, right? That will take a lot of time, correct? With the
app host, app host will take
30 to 40 minutes. That's it.
40 minutes it will take.
Oh.
Shravan, one more question. For directory creation, when you do the right click and create new folder, what option should I select? Can you show one sample folder creation?
Folder creation, you highlight on this one. See, let's say you want to create a one-click automation. You were saying something, right? So here is option. This logo is called as a data center logo. The very nature of the image. See, if you see, it's icon says that.
Okay.
Now right click, create a folder. See,
new folder on the top.
See this. Yeah.
Okay, new folder. Which
new folder, new host and clusters folder.
What is the there is new VM also, new VM and template folder.
There is new VM and template folder. No, we want a cluster folder actually.
Okay, new host.
Template folder means you want to create a VM and save it something like this template. You want to create a folder and you want to save the templates like this. See, these are all templates.
Oh, got
I created a folder called Red Hat CoreOS templates, and all these are CoreOS 11 for all these are templates.
Okay.
The icon shows like this. Okay, now right click, new folder, new host and cluster folder. So you say as one click automation.
Okay.
Done. I think it somewhere might have got created. Let's see. It's alphabetic ascending order, right? Where it has gone? Let me close all this. Did it got created?
One click, right? LMNOP. It should be before that.
Yeah. Let me refresh. Where it has gone. Or did it create somewhere else? Surprise. Did it went into some of the folders? Why? This is export me.
it's not possible to search, right? Like there is no search option to.
Who gets that much time? There should be.
There should be, yeah.
No
No worries. We will
folder,
create another directory, another under.
New host and cluster folder. Why? One click. Why it's not coming? One click folder. Where are those folders going? Okay, let me move here.
One click. Oh, it created here, Shravan.
Yeah. Okay, it created
Under
here,
resource
but we
pool.
want there.
This
Under
is resource,
we don't
right?
want here. Okay, this is resource actually.
Yeah. Okay.
And deleting it. They got created from the wrong location. Removed from inventory. Delete the child inventory from the disk. Confirm. Remove from inventory. Delete. Using Terraform, we can manage this. We have APIs, and also using other CLI tools. There are many tools. Yeah, what are the properties? Can I look at? How did I do? Why it's not coming here? Okay, when I go here and create a resource pool, where does it create? Come on. Where is resource pool option? What is this new cluster? New folder. Where is resource pool? I keep forgetting. New virtual machine.
Is it under storage?
Storage? No. It should be there here only. Or this fellow Shamsuddin, the Arslan team, did they remove my access privileges to create a
Okay.
resource pool? Because some menu items might not be visible.
This is maintained by cloud team or some who maintains it?
Yeah, this is maintained by Innovation Labs cloud team. So Arslan Abbasi is the one of the architect of this entire data center. So just to give an idea, so these are bare metals. If you see, each there are 20 bare metals here. If you click, when you click here, just take 2 minutes. Try and see enterprise. Each bare metal has 62 gigahertz, 582 GB RAM, and 110 terabyte. So 110 terabyte or 500 GB. I'm rounding up to 600 GB because 582 RAM. 600 GB into 20 bare metals. You see, 15, 16, and it is HP enterprise servers. Again, this see RAM. This has less RAM. This server. So these 20 bare metals. On top of this, hypervisor has been installed. The hypervisor name is VMware. On top of VMware, they have they installed a vCenter appliance. So to connect to this one, we are using vSphere client. Like you use Toad to connect to Oracle server, we use vSphere client to connect to virtual appliance. So virtual appliance will, on top of this, will allow you to create VMs. That's what we are doing. So creation of folder and resource pool, we'll do it later, Nirosha.
Okay.
First of all, directly let's attack here.
Sure.
Where is
Okay.
our?
No worries. It's under Lab 23 Kafka, I think.
Lab 23 Kafka.
On the top.
Yeah. Jupyter RHEL 8 we created, Rupa. So this is the Linux. Now, ESXi is the hypervisor. So you should right click compatibility. If you look here, it is ESX 6.7. It is not compatible. Hardware should also, software on top of should also be upgraded. From here, it shows 6.7. Now let me upgrade the operating the ESXi. See, on top of it, it will apply 7.0. When I click here, just see, it has become ESXi 7.0 update 2. That means these are virtual machines software layer. Yeah. Now I will power on the Linux box. Camunda 215, 216, 217, 218. I think I'll take this to, what is the IP of this one? 1 second. 213, 214. Yeah, I'll take this as a 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'll take this 19. So let me take this one. This is the IP we are choosing now.
How did it generate,
IP.
Shravan? Automatically it is generated when you created the VM?
IP, yeah?
IP, yeah.
No,
yeah.
IP did not generate. I have Excel sheet tracking, which is very bad practice. We have to come up with the best practices, maintain in common location. So 282.19 is the IP, and Nirvasha, what is that we have to do is, this is the Camunda server, right? I'll just show you one more thing. 218.219. See, all I'm maintaining in Excel sheet.
Oh, okay.
See, this is a subnet, this is a mask. Okay, I got it here. 219. This one, so close this. Come 2 minutes more, the VM would be ready.
Okay, but you haven't configured the IP address yet, right? Networking and
I'm doing.
You're doing it.
Yeah, 2 minutes. I'll just show you.
Oh,
What I'm
okay.
showing is.
You're
Here
logging
is the
into
step
the
how to
Camunda
create
machine.
a.
Okay.
I'll share this document.
Okay.
Download how to allocate IP address to the VM. Here, how to see. I have the step which I showed you, right? Compatible, upgrade the VM compatibility. Actually, it is new folder and new VM and template folder. That's the reason it was going there. That's why sometimes see, creating a new folder and resource pool option is click on the data center, new folder. We were selecting new host
First
and
option.
cluster folder, right?
Yeah.
So that was wrong. So that's why I sometimes short-term memory loss. That's why I create this.
No worries, Shravan.
Not. Rupa does 24 hours coding, so she's very sharp. So I make sure I take a snippet of Rupa. Listening or started
Say
doing
what
your
they
work
were
again.
showing.
Where is this?
I am.
Where is the Linux VM? Linux. Oh, 1 second. Come on, first box. I should have lab. Okay. Oh.
Here, only one Nirosh can remember everything.
I can't remember it all, Rupa.
She's running. Yeah,
No.
she's running the show there.
Nirosh, age matters. Okay.
Yeah.
Not really,
Yes,
Rupa.
young age.
Experience matters.
Experience is different, remembering memory is different, right? So that.
But I'm still bad.
Oh,
Even with less experience and less age.
You're less experienced, you just remember the things. We help you if you tell us where it is name, and then we help you there. We remember after you tell us that thing, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, this was okay, Nirosh. Now we remember. Okay, this is that.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
See. Just one step here it is. 2 minutes. Yeah, see, it is here. So once you select the okay, right click. See this one box. Camunda. Right click. Edit settings. There are 4 VLANs. You see, this is VLAN. This is VLAN subnet 138, subnet 139. You see the 4th quad, right? 149. These are the subnets. So here you come here. I have created in 149.192 series. Okay. So here 149.192 series. That means this is in this IP series. So I'll go here little bit, couple of times. You will understand. See, I have to choose the particular VLAN. See. Browse. When you browse it, you will see the VLAN. Now here you expand this one. 149.192/26 means there are some 100 plus IPs in this series. So you should remember VLAN 736. When I ask you create in dot 138, it is you are creating in VLAN 720 series. So here I am choosing this 149.192. I will give you explanation later. How much CPU you want? 8 vCPUs, RAM 16 GBs over is enough, and hard disk 200 is enough, or you want 500 GB? Okay, 500 GB hard disk. I am done with the allocation of sources. Okay, it is done. Now what I'll do, I'll power on the Linux box. Linux box is coming up. This default template we copied from the default template, right?
Yeah.
So in that template I saved the root password as Openshift, which I'll share you. Any developer who is working such a smooth way, logic writing, these things, I am 100% will no one will like this work.
Yeah, this is like
Rupa?
administration and
Yeah. It is config network. Rupa is thinking.
sysconfig.
Network script. Network. This one will. Is it capital network? I'll share this document.
Yeah.
In network hyphen script. Sorry, it is. And you cannot access from the putty until you assign IP address. You know it, right?
Right, because there is no network connectivity, right?
Yes,
without the IP?
only through terminal.
Only through terminal, okay.
Up till that time.
Browser-based
network
terminal.
script.
Okay.
Yes. If config ENS is the interface. Now you come here, you don't have to change anything, just allocate the IP address. So the allocated IP address is 172.24.149.219. So 172.24 149 219. Net mask is the same. Let me check. 192, and gateway is 100% the most important thing to access. If any change in the gateway, you cannot access. So the gateway for this is 172.24.149.193. This the system, the network team shares with you. So it is 24.149.193.
Got
149. That is the last IP to in the gateway to reach that. So it is 149. Gateway 193. Okay, then the DNS IP addresses, one is 16, one is 17. If I look here, let me look into etc sysconfig network net. Why? Oh, syscon. One is 172, 171, 172, 3.251. We have 3 DNS in Bank of America.
Okay,
without the DNS.
But this is Charlotte Lab, right, Shravan? They use the same DNS?
No, we have a connected to the Baronet. Even if it's Charlotte Lab, if you log in right now into your app host, you can check.
Okay,
We
okay.
have these DNS
3
addresses.
DNSs. Okay.
Yes. Server 3.54. All this can be automated if Terraform comes.
With
We can do
Terraform.
that also.
Okay.
Only thing maybe I'm lazy. We can automate. I reviewed that. We can automate, but at the end of the day, the in return of investment after doing all this, right answer can be given by Venkata. What will I get?
Okay, okay.
Or at least Murli is not there on this call.
Yeah, he's not there.
Rupa?
No worries.
Yeah. Tell me. Got it.
If you do all this, what is that?
Your satisfaction.
And also, you put lot of effort, right,
Oh,
Shravan? You spend so much time. You put lot of
right.
effort. We
Your
need
satisfaction.
That's what. Your
Satisfaction will not
satisfaction.
help you.
Huh?
No, Rupa.
more than satisfaction, Rupa.
Satisfaction.
More than that.
Money, Rupa.
Money, yeah.
Bank owns no money to anyone, so being happy, okay. Meditate, satisfaction, okay, I got that.
Yeah. Okay, this is the change which I did. And then etc hosts, only the etc config, resolve.conf should be updated with the same thing. I'll go here, vi/etc host name. What is the host name? Let's decide it here.
Any Jupyter Hub.
I'll go with the same.
Same name, yeah.
One click the Jupyter Hub, you go with that. So remember.
Jupyter RHEL 8 you did.
Yeah, Jupyter
You
RHEL
same.
8.
See that convent, we made a mistake. So anyhow, I'll decommission this. You re-provision again, okay? Same thing.
Okay, I will provision one VM and assign the IP myself, Shravan, after this.
Sure. I'll give 220. Yeah, I'll give you.
You give me
220,
the
I think.
subnet mask,
219,
everything.
right?
I will provision one VM.
Yes. I'll keep this up. You can replicate based on this.
Okay.
RHL 8. Yes, please etc. $149 $219. We don't need an entry in etc host file. It is just for when you reboot, it comes with a nice when you type /etc, when you type hostname command, right?
Mm-hmm.
It pulls from etc host file. So
Okay.
for our convenience, we are adding.
Okay.
I saw Rupa also typing hostname. I saw you also typing hostname command, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it pulls from etc host file. The operating system pulls from
Got
etc
it.
host file.
Okay.
Just for nicer look and appearance. Now the last item which you have to fix is resolve.conf.
Mm-hmm.
Search bankofamerica.com, search SDI .corp. You want to resolve all the suffixes.
Mm-hmm.
corp.bankofamerica.com, SDI corp.bankofamerica.com. Okay. To that, sorry. Corp.SDI corp. SDI. To what extent this is required, I do not know, but I just add it. But the name servers are important, the below ones.
Okay.
This time I'm going to add this buffer.com also, because now our all DNS are also this one, right?
Okay.
Name server is 170. /71 172 3.251. 178 3.251 done. All the entries are done.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if we are left with anything. Restart ping, everything is done. Okay, hope so. Let me restart. Now you should be able to connect.
From Putty, right?
Reboot.
You should
Yeah.
be able to. Okay.
Once you do all this, you should reboot. After that, you have to point to the Bank of America M repository. I'll give you 2 steps more. Which
You rebooted it from the console, Shravan?
from the console. I
What?
typed the command reboot.
Or just reboot? Okay.
You can, reboot is a command. Or else you can right click, power.
Just do a reset. Reset?
Yeah, reset. Yes.
Yeah.
Or shut down guest OS. Yeah, restart guest OS.
Okay. Okay. Restart guest
Since
OS.
it is in the restart mode,
It's
grayed out.
disabled. Yeah.
Yes. So I'm thinking I did all perfectly well. Then I should be able to log in. I have to document this one. I have to share you only that part, which makes the things clear. And after that, I have to pull the steps for yum repository. Yum configuration somewhere I added here.
You have to add that hcm.d repos.config. There is one
Yes.
file?
I'll show you.
Okay.
I documented somewhere here.
I added that file to container Shravan to install something. Same, I think. While installing,
okay.
that's how I'm connecting to repo and installing.
Quartz TFG CLT lab VM configuration. Yeah, this is the one. Excellent. See?
Yeah,
Go to
HCM.
this, add a port number. Oh, you used this one?
Not this one.
This is the one. This is the one actually. Follow this.
Okay. Send me that URL, Shravan, in the Skype.
Sure.
Yeah.
Still, it's not going down.
Okay.
So Rupa, in sprint 3, can we take up I showed you the API command to see the number of namespace workspaces metrics, right? In one of the sprint, we can take up that one. So I am running my API, making API calls to get you the count. So that count is of GBS, TFG, and Orion's cohort. So there is a mismatch with the count you have, and so in one of our sprints, we can take up that activity.
Before that, Shravan, that is an additional we have to do within the team. That's for us. But Java and SQL right now, whatever gaps we have it, we need to fill in the quarter to that. How we can validate, how we
One
make
of the
sure.
sprints. No, my question is, at least are we planning any dashboard kind of thing, like where we display that?
Yes.
There we'll see. I'll just show you now. Even Nirosha I'll give it to Nirosha. See, Nirosha, all you have to do is
I'm seeing
you have to log into OpenShift cluster and OC login -u kubeadmin and the kubeadmin password, and this is the API for the entire cluster. So when you connect to the kubeadmin, to the API using kubeadmin and kubeadmin password, you will see you are connected to the OpenShift cluster and you run a command called ACI projects, and this OC command will make an API call to the cluster and give all the namespaces which are running.
Okay.
So the namespaces which the NBK ID and dev spaces are the one which are used. So each namespace is using around 10 GB. So what I was doing currently, so you know the command, right? Then grep for
NBK.
grep combination *_ dev spaces, and that's how me and Rupa's count is mismatching.
Oh,
So
okay,
whatever
okay.
I get is the correct count.
Right, because that's the actual sandbox.
The layman's so the layman's job is even if you are so
That gap we need to fill. How can, because registration is happening somewhere and it's being used. We need to validate.
The login command and OC projects and then the pipe symbol and then that if we write some bash shell script that you call it from your code, right, Rupa? So this will give you see how many
No, Shravan, before that, first of all, we should not even allow for cohort
68.
users to come here. No, whoever registered alone, you have to let them in.
No, that doesn't going to work because in offshore it's a different use case. So 67 users are using.
See, there are two types, right? We need to segregate that. Okay. You have to tell me that how to resolve that. But first of all, if it is a cohort, I need the count for cohort means you should be able to give. Remaining all should fall under GBS. Because somebody is registering, I have some count. You have GBS plus cohort, which some count. We are not giving proper count.
I'm not even the count which they make is ad hoc, but I'm directly going and making an API call to give you the perfect figure, right?
No, it doesn't matter, Shravan. When they are asking me for the cohort, I don't even know how many number of users actually using the dev space.
Okay.
We'll add that one validation on our end so that we have to segregate both separately.
Here I have to make a DNS entry also of this one. For now it is okay. See, it is done. Box.
Yeah, it's we're able to connect. Yes, Shravan, I see it. This is great.
Should I give you IP? See, both of you try. This is
Yeah.
okay. User add ET labs. I'll create. User add ET labs is the username, and the password for ET labs is Red Hat @123. And what I do basically, I make that account as a root account. This is the wrong practices. Basically, the root will have a 0.
Zero.
Right?
Yeah, UID.
So when you UID, I made it 0. It is allocates UID.
Okay.
So equivalent to root account we are making, and we are playing in the eyes of GS, not falling in the eyes of GS. If someone says do not log, you are not supposed to log into root in the bank, you will tell where did I log in? I am using ET Labs account.
Okay. Shravan, but we cannot use our NBK, right, to log into these VMs.
I did not enable AD.
AD is not enabled. Okay.
But we can do. I would have shown the step. See the ET Labs. Now see ET Labs. Red Hat @123. Okay, I am in. I want both of you to try this. I'll just give you an IP address.
Yeah.
The Webex, right? Try. Username is ET Labs. Red Hat @123.
Yeah, let me try. Yeah, trying, Shravan. User is ET Labs. Okay. Accept ET Labs.
Yeah, I'm able to connect.
Red Hat.
So see how easy to maintain our own Linux VMs with the root account ET Labs. Now when you write a tower inventory, you have this one. You can go directly and install the things, right?
Yes, Shravan.
Dependency of ARM is gone. Dependency of
Horizon
is gone.
Tower, everything is
gone.
Yeah.
Not required. Even in tower, you just add in the credential section ET Labs.
But you're not supposed to add any credentials, right, Shravan?
Yes.
Okay.
But you should not add root. GS will immediately come. That's why I went to tower and I created auto SVC.
Okay.
someone thinks instead of ET Labs, I named it as, if you have not observed when logging
Okay,
into
okay.
the server,
Okay, got it.
if someone sees, they will think as a service account. See, the account, the way I created auto SVC.
Auto
But
SVC.
actually it is root account.
Root account, okay. Got it.
I
got
may
it.
added that in the, you ask, so this kind of things we do in the labs.
Workarounds, Shravan, workarounds.
Yes, never reveal to the outside people.
Yeah, sure.
We are following TP rule, we are doing everything. Oh, we are very good, neat.
Yeah.
So that's all. One
Okay.
entry we have to make in DNS. I'll show you the DNS entry how to make.
Okay.
Rasha,
Yeah.
This is DNS server. Because in the app host, the DNS entry happens by default using a script.
Got yes. But here, since we're doing everything manually, we have to create this entry. And this DNS server is sitting in our lab, in our AIT,
correct.
right? AIT, okay.
Correct.
And it's running on Podman, right? That's the one, same one?
Correct.
Okay.
That's the one where you try to add the rootless whenever it gets rebooted.
Okay.
Things, but it requires the root privilege that was not working, so I kept quiet.
Podman, it is working, Shravan. You mean
as a non-root user, right?
As a non-root
but
user,
the DNS container is not working.
DNS container.
Maybe I did not take out the time.
Okay,
it requires 0.
Okay, I will take a look at it when I get a chance, and I'll see.
Sure. OPT, ET. What is that? You create an here. OPT ET Labs.
Yeah.
OPT ET Labs DNS. You go here, conf, and then this is a SQLite database. Just copy one of the dev. The other day you requested, right? Copy this and say Jupyter RHEL8 .SQL, and then you open this. Able to see, right? No, because of this I'm not able to see. Okay. Insert the record into the just
Jupyter dot,
yes.
relate.
Whatever the host name you have given it.
Okay. And the IP address also we have to change, right?
Yes.
Okay. The A record, Shravan, we have A, triple A, right?
Yeah, this is A record.
A record, yeah.
A record means we make an IP entry.
IP entry.
Host name mapping to IP.
Okay, got it. Yeah, I read this long ago.
It's adding new.
We're adding a new DNS entry.
Into the DNS.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Officially making the if you bring from outside using this host name, it should resolve to this IP address.
Correct. Got it.
I'll show you in a second. Yeah. The moment I add, see now when I say ns lookup, it's not resolving. You see?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I push this into the. Here is the documentation I updated. DNS. Where is DNS, Nirosha? DNS documentation. I said DNS separate. Heading was Jupyter
how
support.
to articles?
No. Enable DNS.
Enable. Okay. ET Labs DNS.
Insert record into DNS, right?
Okay.
SQLite database is the SQLite insert record. You don't have to go and edit. Just see this one. Add less than symbol. Pretty carefully do it. There are so many entries, and everything will go down. your innovation portal, everything. So just I
Okay, very carefully.
add
I
it
got
to
it.
the end. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now see the difference, Nirosha.
Now NS lookup
Rupa,
should
see this
resolve
one?
to the IP address.
Yeah. Yes. That means you're permanently making sure when you hit the host name, why didn't it add?
Do we need to restart the container?
No, nothing. It will take just 2 minutes.
Oh,
Just
okay. To
2
sync.
more seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. It will, by the time it is coming up, let's add it in the second node.
Uh-huh.
So we have two, DNS 01 and 02, master slave.
Do we? Oh, master slave. Okay, I thought there was some load
Yes,
balancer
yes.
or something. Okay.
No. See, then DNS 02. So that's why when a Rupa and you requested, this is what I am doing.
Oh,
And
okay.
Ganesh has written an API to ingest that record into that. He maintained that.
Mm-hmm. This PB role is not PBET Lab H, Shravan. This is a different PB role, PB access.
It is. No. అట్లా ఏం లేదు దాంట్లో ఇట్లా రాసి పెట్టుకున్నా I keep forgetting.
Okay, got it. You created as an environment variable and you are sourcing it. Okay, I see it.
Sourcing it.
Yeah.
Same OPT labs. Sorry. See, so many manual steps, right? This is what Sudhakar doesn't used to like this.
Yeah, we should that API or something.
Yeah.
I will.
Yes. But I sometimes no. I agree. But sometimes I fear something gets injecting the things doesn't work, right? So this is our entire table. See, select stars from records. So these are the entries. See, last entry is ours.
Yeah,
it
Jupiter
got properly
relate.
added, record.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So quit is no. It should work. It has been 5 minutes, right? Let's look up. Let me see.
Yeah.
Postal, it's not working. So that means DNS2 has become master then.
Oh,
something has happened here. Conf.
I need to understand this DNS. Not that I read it long time ago, but I actually should start looking into it.
In DNS, we make an entry. That's it. We make an entry of host name with the IP address.
Oh, okay.
Beyond that, nothing. Added.
Okay.
Now I'll check it here whether it is properly added. And now let me run the NS lookup. If it doesn't work, maybe we'll check after some time. Maybe it's taking some. It should actually. It's in a minutes. No. Okay, we'll check. R is this 219 is allocated to the other box. I'm just worried. I'll check
Okay. Yeah.
in my Excel. See, the other problem in our use case is I'm maintaining Excel sheet, which is wrong. We have to have a Confluence page. What are the IPs used for which?
Yeah, where
See,
common
Kamunda
page,
automation too.
where everyone can
Common
view that.
page. How many VLANs are there? What are the free IPs available? We have to maintain that.
Okay, Shravan.
So we are done. So
Okay.
now we are able to access, I think, right, box.
A box I'm able to log in, Shravan.
One last change is to update the yum repositories. This is the command I told you, right? So you have to go to this one, etc yum var. I don't want to register, but so here are the steps. You run RPM subscription manager, delete RPM, and then yum update.
Okay.
If you do all this, this box gets registered. And any errors will be reported in the vulnerability report. So because we are going to decommission, right? I would suggest give a meaningful name, and then I'll remove the entries. Use the same IP address because it doesn't look meaningful, this name.
You're going to decommission that, Shravan?
Yes.
Okay.
Use your own name.
Okay, I'll provision a new VM and configure whatever you've done. Can you give me the IP address, subnet mask?
Same. Yes. I'm sending it right away. I'll show you how we decommission. There's all you power off and then shut down. But if you follow these steps like registering, install certificates and register, then you have to open a ticket like app host decommission. You have to open a remedy ticket to decommission from Qualys.
Oh, then we don't want to do that. Yeah. Not too much hassle, right?
Yeah, but no, but you
ఒకసారి చేయమంటారు.
ఒకసారి చేయండి. Yeah.
Okay.
See, power off.
Yeah, I will get some idea also.
First, power off is a hard power off. Shutdown is guest OS slow. This is like go to the data center and switch the power off. Very fast reboot.
Okay.
And దీని వల్ల కరప్ట్ అవుతుంది. So always the option is you have to use click power and see shutdown guest OS.
Okay.
That means you are shutting down the RHEL 8 from this virtual machine. That's the difference between power off and shutting down the guest OS.
Got it.
Power off ante you are all
the actual VM like hardware.
You are destroying. See, within a second it has gone down.
Yeah.
Laptop otti pattesharu button. Finish.
Okay. Hard reboot. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, and then all you have to do is to delete from disk. Entire box is gone. See? Okay. Now I'll send out the instructions.
Yeah, I will provision one. I will create a meaningful name. One click.
No. We are one click automation, right? Automation 217, right? 218 is allocated to this. Automation 219 allocate.
Okay, automation
because
219.
We are using this for one click automation of tools, right? So I'll send the host name, the one which you have to add. DNS entry and JC mantra chestara.
I will do it once.
You want to try?
I want to try. Yeah. Yes,
okay.
Sure.
I'll keep the SQL ready. So you add it and append like this. I'll send all the steps. Done. Okay. So if you do all this, you are an expert in Starlet Labs.
Expert in Charlotte.
Yeah.
Okay. Jupyter L8.et labs, that DNS entry we have to remove, right, Shravan? You will remove?
I will remove it.
Okay.
Yeah. So how? Yeah, I have written the command here.
Okay.
How to see delete from records where ID is equal to. So it will allocate one ID, right? When you make an entry.
Right.
So I'll just show you. Yeah, here is the command. Select star from records. See, I'll just show you this one in DNS02. You delete from. You know the command. Delete from records where ID is equal to the ID number.
391. That's the ID, right?
Where
Some
ID
records.
is equal to this one, 391. Correct. Absolutely
391.
correct.
Okay.
You run this, and you say select star from. Done.
Okay.
Or ask Rupa to write a API in Java to make an update in this. Python API is the Ganesh is already written.
Yeah, I can write the Python one,
Yeah.
Shravan, if required.
Yeah, go ahead. Right.
Yeah, it's easy because
Yeah,
I don't
but
want to touch the database.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
already there. Check
It's-
with Ganesh
Okay, I will.
and make accordingly the changes. Yeah.
Sure,
Only thing we cautiously, meticulously handle if it is making abrupt 10 entries just so you understood, right?
Yeah.
So this is the key file of your entire database, your db.db, this one.
Okay.
If this is gone, SQLite 3.db is gone, your all entries are gone. That's why I always take a backup of that one.
Yeah, it's
Before
better
you make
to
a
take
change.
it's better to
That's-
take a backup,
yes.
Shravan. I will also practice that, to take a backup and then make an entry.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's all.
Yeah.
If
And
you do all this, you're an expert.
I can
Expert.
try, Shravan, to be an expert, but I can never be an
Yes.
expert.
No. There's nothing
Yeah.
rocket science here.
Thank you.
0318. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And one more thing, Shravan, can you send me that IP address, DNS, the subnet mask and subnet? I will.
I'm sending. I'm
Okay.
sending all the steps.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll send you.
I mean, I just want to
All
give
right,
it a
then.
try. Yeah. Thank you
Yeah,
so much,
definitely.
Shravan.
I'll give you the host name, IP, subnet. Any questions?
Yeah. Yes,
Virochi,
Rupa.
just add a document, whatever he has, that document, let it be, and then you can, if you want, create one document and then Openshift Kt, create in the ETL.
Correct.
And then
Somewhere yes, she is correct.
Okay.
Somewhere you add it in the
Wiki?
CLT labs.
Okay.
You see here, you click here. Creation of see 219 is I decided to allocate we never provisioned this.
Oh,
See
okay.
219.
Got it.
Choose this one. We have used this. So here you say create. 1 second, I'll give this link to you. VM provision. Wait a second. CLT VM provision.
add over there the Word document and then update all the steps as you are doing. With the screenshots, if you possible, add it.
With the screenshots, add it. Yeah.
Because it makes
See,
sense.
under Charlotte Labs IPs, under Charlotte Labs VM provision, you add it here, Virosha.
Okay.
I will give you all the steps. You do it.
Yeah.
All right. I'll send this one. Okay.
Okay, Shravan. Yeah.
Are personal day? You are off, Rupa, today? I got.
No, Monday, right? Did I say today?
Personal day off.
Oh, it's for March 25th, right? Oh, next Monday.
I thought, might be by mistake I sent today's week.
No. Okay.
Type
All
Joy
right,
part.
done.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Shravan. I think it's late for you.
Sure.
I really appreciate all the
Yeah,
help.
no problem. Yeah.
Good night, Shravan. We'll
Thank
Bye,
you.
Shravan.
Yeah, we'll
Thank
connect.
Yeah, add in the sprints
Already
somewhere
gave
in one of the. Not
Already
this
gave.
one. About metrics.